Lo harshin is misha joy, agus apa twach gehaun of Ibrian rave me chachkin na Gaelic. Now Gaelic is a Celtic language spoken by up to 90,000 people throughout Scotland. It's also closely linked to Irish Gaelic and Manx Gaelic, and it's actually spoken by people throughout the world, but in particular in Nova Scotia in Canada. Now there are loads of interesting facts and figures about Gaelic. One of them is that it only has 18 letters in the alphabet. We also have our own TV station called BBC Alwapa. Ooh. And our own radio station, BBC Radio na Gaelf. Gaelic language has a very strong link to our traditional music and culture, and traditional music in Scotland, which you might have heard being played on the bagpipe or the fiddle, quite often is actually Gaelic songs, and these have stories and heritage and loads of interesting things that tell us a wee bit more about our language and our culture. Now today there are more people than ever learning Gaelic, both here in Scotland but actually across the world. We can't wait to see how you celebrate Gaelic as part of Seachtain na Gaelic. There are lots of different resources for you to use and try, and maybe you can even share those results with us on social media using the hashtag Seachtain na Gaelic. Shuatev, we're really looking forward to seeing what you do. Cheerio and drasta!